Bam. Woo! This is for my friends, Simone. But yeah, just to maybe get on live and see if I can do some readings or whatever. Put some green lipstick. But yeah, I washed it already and whatnot. If you have little brown pieces up there, I don't really care. But you know, it's whatever works. And if I want to, you know, I eat out of these too. It's like a little snack while I'm waiting for this shit to get cold. Oh shit. You don't want to be biting into shit and it's fucking bitter as fuck. So you're just like, ah, it's fucking bitter. Alright. And this was a little one. So, hopefully you see what I'm doing. Oops. So yeah. And then I'm unlike most, so